Hello everyone and welcome to the first episode of building a Minecraft village. Is that what I'm going to call it? I'm not sure what I'm going to call it. But anyway, so I'm doing a series where I'm building all of this and I will be taking you through all the different buildings and showing you how I did them. And then giving you a little tour of the inside. There'll be a download. There's a download of the map available on Planet Minecraft, but I'll probably do a link in the description as well. And without rambling on anymore, I will just start it. Here we go. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that little time lapse there. Now I'll give you a tour of the final product. Yeah, I'm going to be stuck for words a lot during this. It's always awkward on your first time, isn't it? So here is the shop side of the blacksmiths. We got all the things they're selling, all your tools and your weapons and armor, and here's a nice little the shop counter with the book for keeping a note of all their orders. Through this way we've got your cover indoor, well, kind of indoor workshop with the grindstone and the smithing table and everything you need for crafting. We've got the coal store. Got to keep that nice and dry so it doesn't get wet in the rain. As you probably saw, it started raining as I was building this bit, so I decided to put a cover over this as well, because nobody really likes to work out in the rain. Yeah, we got the forge, the quenching trough, an anvil for everything you need. And then inside, it's a little bit different to how we had the oh yeah, we've got some storage in here as well. Yeah, inside's a little bit different to how we showed in the time lapse. I wanted to add a fireplace for them to do some cooking. Got a nice little pile of logs there, some berries and plants just to make the place a little bit more alive. Oh, I haven't really decorated this room. I need to do that properly. Yeah, we've got a villager sleeping. Let's leave him to it, shall we? Oop, wrong side of the door. And then, as you can see, I took the staircase out and moved the way to get up to a ladder here, just to get to their little storage area. Probably where they keep the Christmas decorations and things. Then a couple of bedrooms, and yeah, that is it really. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will try to be getting a new video uploaded every week, and maybe the recording will get better. Thank you for watching. Have a good day, or evening, or whatever time it is you are where you are. See you later.